Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to your update on Bitcoin, of course. So I'm sticking with I'm sticking with what I said yesterday. And if you missed the video yesterday, then I'll repeat it for you. But overall, and I've been repeating this for the last couple of videos, but it's really worth it for everybody that hasn't watched these videos. And you're new to the channel, then first of all, welcome. But right now, fundamentally, I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. All right. I mean, we have a lot of, well, at least, assuming that the ETFs get approved. All right. Because then we have the ETF approval in about a month, a little bit more, a little bit less, depends on when the deadline hits. But then we have the Bitcoin halving later next year in April, I believe. And then I also do think that towards the end of 2024, we can actually have some lower interest rates, hopefully in the EU, but also in the US. And with that, some more capital flowing into the markets. So a lot of potentially bullish events. So fundamentally, I am bullish on Bitcoin. But what I also said yesterday is that right now, I do expect a bit of a pullback. And we're getting that now. Yesterday I also talked about this in the Cilinix premium group, that I also can see it happening, that we do one last spike and then followed by a drop. That's what you tend to see quite often. And I'm still doubting between whether that's going to happen or that we're just going to get a healthy pullback down towards 24 or 42,000, excuse me, not 24, but 42,000 now. Because right now you can see on the 1 hour time frame we're actually respecting it's way too early to say, but so far the 236 fib here at 23,200 has been respected. So Bitcoin is losing some momentum, and I do expect a pullback in general. All right, I mean, we've been going up almost in a straight line for almost a week now. At some point of time, that's just going to stop. I mean, Bitcoin will not keep on doing that. In the bull market, it might, but whether this is the start of the bull market or not still remains a little bit unclear. I mean, you could make some fair arguments in favor of this being the start of the bull market, but that's not what I'm doing. And in the last day, you can also see the open interest had some spikes, but overall dropped down. Also saw a bit of a drop in the last 30 minutes. So I do expect a bit of a pullback. Right now, see, it's still possible that we'll get a spike up to 25,000 and potentially even higher, and then a drop. I'm not too sure about that yet. I really don't know, because something like that I would not be able to predict. All right, I think it's possible. For example, if the 4 hour time frame, let's assume the 4 hour time frame closes above the 236 fib here, or even the 1 hour time frame candle, then that's quite a bullish confirmation, because that means that the level has held up for quite a good period of time. So if that happens, then I would say we're getting one last final bullish push and then a drop. But right now, if Bitcoin drops down below 43,200, which is where the 236 fib is, then that's confirmation that we're dropping down at least to 42,000, and then at 42,000 we'll see again. All right, I mean, that's a strong support level, so I do expect support from there. But I don't think it's out of the question that eventually we'll also pull down a little bit lower, down towards 41,200 and 40,700. I don't think that would be too bearish. I mean, even if Bitcoin drops down to those levels, I would say it's still bullish. So that depends on how it reacts to the support, but this drop I do expect. Whether we first get a bullish spike before this drop or not depends on the candle close right now. So keep an eye on that. I'll try to keep you updated on that as well. But for now, those are all my thoughts. All right. So if you do have any questions, then make sure to let me know down in the comments. And down in the pinned comment or the description, you can also find a little bit more out about my premium and my Signal group, if that sounds interesting. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Trade safe, and bye.